Into Your Money this week, which is sponsored by the Stamm Law firm. Do you know what happens to your home if you apply for Medicaid and need to go into a nursing home? Doing Your Side's Kelly Dudzik spoke with the attorneys about how you can plan ahead to protect your property.
The most valuable asset most people own is their home.
The issue is if it's not in what we, an irrevocable trust, which offers that protection, it's exposed to a nursing home. And I'd love to say we have a crystal ball, Brian and I, and we can tell everybody, oh, you're not going into a nursing home. But we can't do that. And so we need to do what's best for the client, that is protect that asset.
Bradley Stamm and Brian Stamm with the Stamm Law firm encourage clients to put homes and properties into an irrevocable trust. If they aren't in one, Bradley explained what can happen when you apply for Medicaid if you need to go into a nursing home.
The primary residence could be exempt if the other spouse is still living there.
Okay.
The problem is a lot of people have second homes, cottages on the lake,
Sure,
a
or
beach
cottage
house.
in Canada, yeah.
Wherever it is,
Yep.
Florida, Arizona, you're seeing a lot of that. You cannot protect that unless it's in an irrevocable trust, because that house could be exposed.
And he says that means it could all possibly be taken to pay for the nursing home before you're able to go on Medicaid.
In the Medicaid world, they look back. If you don't sell for fair market value, they will penalize you. So if you sell for that dollar
Right.
and it's worth $400, guess what? You're being penalized like $399,000. I mean, it's crazy because they look at us. They want to make sure you don't give things away improperly.
That's right.
That's the whole 5-year look back.
Because then they know you had the money, you had the assets, you could have paid for
You
this.
could have paid for the services, and now you're asking the taxpayers through Medicaid to pay for you. The 5-year look back is entirely based on gifts. All they want to know, did you give your money away? That's it.
And I would imagine they're pretty good at tracking things down.
Real estate,
They're the
estate's
best.
the easiest thing to track.
Yeah, they're the
Like,
best.
cash is hard to track. Coming out of the bank is easy because you can see the withdrawal or a check being written. But real estate is the easiest thing to track because there's deeds that go on record in the clerk's office.
On Your Side, Kelly Dudzik, Channel 2 News.